Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy eclairs. First, combine 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan over medium heat. Bring it to a rolling boil, then quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth dough ball forms. Remove from heat and beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, until the mixture is glossy and smooth. Now, let's get those eclairs ready for baking. Transfer your chew pastry to a piping bag fitted with a large round or star tip. Pipe 4-inch long strips onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 15 minutes until golden brown and puffed. Let them cool completely. Next, we'll prepare the delicious cream filling. In a saucepan, whisk together 2 cups of whole milk, 4 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens and begins to bubble. Remove from heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Cover and chill thoroughly. Finally, it's time to assemble and glaze your beautiful eclairs. Once the pastry cream is completely chilled, fill a piping bag with it. Carefully slice each cooled eclair horizontally or make a small hole at each end and pipe in the cream. For the glaze, melt 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Dip the tops of your filled eclairs into the warm glaze and let it set. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.